Welcome to the infrared with me, HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open Settings app and then tap on the Sounds and Vibration. Now we can see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to change it, hold and slide to the left onto the right side this white dot with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first be sure that in default volume button control you have selected ringtone, and after that by press up or down volume button on the right side of the device you can also mute or change the ringtone volume. And also you can make it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button, and after that with your finger manually slide to the up or to the down this white dot. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.